McMahon.
Where am I? What's going on?
You don't need to worry about that. I'm gonna teach you a little lesson, McMahon.
Hey, this is illegal. Get me out of here. Damn you, Stone Cold. I'm gonna burn this place to the ground when I'm done.
All right, McMahon, I'll give you one last chance. WrestlePaintia or golf?
Golf. Oh,
What?
I said golf.
What?
Golf.
What?
WrestlePaintia. WrestlePaintia.
Hey, that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so. Be there. See you May 3rd.
WrestlePaintia.